Have you been wondering what you can do with your edible flowers like the violets from your garden? Or your herbs that you just got from your garden and they're too much? Today I am going to show you how to make one of my favorite cocktails for my wellness recipes. So this cocktail is a virgin cocktail, so do not think we are going to use any alcohol in this. So what we are going to need today is I need a coconut, a fresh coconut with coconut juice in it. You know, a fresh coconut opened. Now it's already open. And I'll need a few strawberries, and we have some of these here. And then I'll need some pineapples cut and ready, and I'll need some mint. Yeah, this is some mint. So, and then I'll need a stalk, small stick, call it a stalk, for decoration. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Well, cut your strawberries into two halves and cut your pineapple and just put it on a stick and just prepare it there. Open your coconut. This is already open and you can see there's some coconut juice here in it, so make sure it doesn't pour. So what we are going to do is I am going to put some mint. I think I'll just put 2 bunches or 3, like this, 3, and then we'll just make sure it doesn't pour. Just put a few here, mint, and then here are our violets from the garden, our edible flowers. And then here's our fruit, and let's just first put the fruit because then you can stick it into the coconut because it's from wood. And then just put the flowers around, and you can also eat these flowers. So as you can see, it is, as you can see, we have a virgin coconut cocktail with edible flowers and fruits and herbs, mint. There we have it. I hope you enjoy this virgin coconut, and I hope you also try it out at your home. And stay healthy and keep watching. Returning subscribers, thanks for the support. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and do not forget to check out our online store to purchase something in order to support this channel. And see you next week as usual.